The rectangular garden on a drawing measures 8 centimeters by 6 centimeters. The scale is 2 centimeters equals 2.5 meters. What is the actual area of the garden? So again, the drawing measures 8 centimeters by 6 centimeters. We want to find the actual dimensions of the garden to find the area of the garden. We'll do this by setting up and solving two proportions using equivalent ratios. Let's first determine the length of the actual garden. We can say that 2 centimeters is to 2.5 meters, as 8 centimeters is to x meters, where x meters would be the length of the actual garden. Notice in both ratios, we're comparing centimeters to meters. To find the width of the garden, we can say 2 centimeters is to 2.5 meters, as 6 centimeters is to y meters, where y meters would be the width of the actual garden. And now we'll solve the proportions using equivalent ratios. Going back to the first proportion, focusing on the numerators, because 2 centimeters times 4 is equal to 8 centimeters. To find the equivalent ratio and solve for x, we multiply both 2 centimeters and 2.5 meters by 4. 2 centimeters times 4 equals 8 centimeters. 2.5 meters times 4 is equal to 10 meters. 10 meters is the length of the actual garden. So again, x equals 2.5 times 4, which is 10, and the units would be meters. And now for the second proportion, focusing on the numerators, because 2 centimeters times 3 equals 6 centimeters, find the equivalent ratio on the right and solve for y. We multiply both 2 centimeters and 2.5 meters by 3. 2 centimeters times 3 is 6 centimeters. 2.5 meters times 3 is 7.5 meters. 7.5 meters is the width of the actual garden, which indicates the area of the actual garden is going to be the length times the width, which is the product of 10 meters and 7.5 meters, which gives us an area of 75 square meters. The actual area of the garden is 75 square meters. I hope you found this helpful.